Hey there, home chefs. Welcome back to Home Economics TV, where we bring you easy, delicious, and budget-friendly recipes to fill your kitchen with love and laughter. Today, we're diving into a classic Filipino treat. These crispy, sesame-coated dough balls are super easy to make and perfect for a quick snack, coffee break, or even for business. It is sesame donut and commonly known as binangkal. Ingredients: 3/4 kilo third-class flour or hard flour, 1/4 kilo first-class flour or soft flour, 60 grams margarine, 15 grams yeast, 15 grams baking powder, 350 grams white sugar, 2 pieces of egg, 1 cup water, 15 grams salt, 200 grams sesame seeds, just add if needed. Procedures: 1. In a bowl, combine first-class and third-class flour and baking powder. Mix well. 2. In a separate bowl, add water, egg, margarine, yeast, salt, and sugar. Three. Mix until the sugar and salt are dissolved. 4. Gradually mix the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients. 5. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 15 to 20 minutes. Six. Divide the dough into portions, each weighing 30 to 40 grams. 7. Shape the dough portions into your desired forms. 8. Lightly moisten the dough portions with water, then coat them with sesame seeds. 9. Fry the dough in a pan over medium-low heat for 5 to 10 minutes, or until golden brown. 10. Allow the fried dough to cool before serving. There you go. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and perfectly golden. This is my take on binangkal, a delightful sesame-coated snack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. God bless you.